Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME and I am back again with another video. Now in this video I am going to be reviewing this unit that I received from ISEE Hair. Y'all, it's something about ISEE Hair, the texture, the quality of their hair, the curl pattern that you get with their curly hair is none like no other. Like, I've been trying to figure out like what exactly it is. Now it might be because of the origin of their hair. The hair that they sell is Mongolian hair, and that's definitely what I am rocking today. This is a headband wig. It is in their Mongolian water wave texture. As you can see, it is long, full, and luscious. This unit is 26 inches and it is 180% density. Now, y'all know, if you know, then you know that I always talk about getting units that have that fullness to it. I do not like thin wigs. Sometimes I do receive thin wigs and I don't like thin wigs. I'm always 180% and above. I do not like 130% and 150%. Usually wigs come in the 150% density, but I like it to be a little fuller than that. Now back to the actual curl pattern. I don't know, it's just something about their curls. It just gives you a different feel. It gives you a different look. The curls are just soft and just, I don't know, it's something about them. I'm telling you, this is the second unit that I have tried from this company and I am absolutely in love with their curly hair. And then not to mention that when you receive the hair out of the box, it does not have a bad smell like most of the factory hair pieces that you may receive coming from overseas. Y'all already know these headband wigs are everything. If you don't own one, you definitely need one, and you need one in every texture if you can. If you're feeling straight one day, you can definitely go on ISEE website. They have some straight ones. If you're feeling like a naturally curly hair, you could definitely get that. Or if you're feeling like me, you want to do a little Rapunzel, you could get the long curly hair as well. But I'm telling you, with this company, you will not go wrong when it comes to their curly hair. Definitely one of my top faves for this type of curly hair. So I'm going to show you exactly how I got the curls to look this defined, because they did not look like this coming straight out of the box. And then I'm also going to show you some of the headband pieces that they sent me, as well as the construction of the wig and the unboxing and all of that good jazz. Did I have lipstick on my teeth this whole time? Wow.